How can I avoid pickpockets on a Brooklyn Bridge walking tour? Imagine standing on the Brooklyn Bridge, taking in the stunning views of the New York City skyline. It's a beautiful moment, but it's also a busy spot filled with fellow tourists. That's exactly why staying alert is so important. Crowded places like the bridge attract pickpockets who look for easy targets. To stay safe, keep your valuables secure and out of sight. Use a money belt or an anti-theft backpack with hidden compartments or lockable zippers. Only carry the cash and cards you need for the walk, and leave the rest in a safe place. Avoid putting your wallet or phone in your back pocket because it's an easy target for thieves. Keep your bag close to your body and hold onto it firmly. If you are with friends, take turns watching each other's belongings so nothing gets left unattended. Be discreet when pulling out your phone or wallet. Don't do it in the middle of a busy crowd. Stay aware of your surroundings and avoid getting too caught up in taking photos or sightseeing. Wearing clothing with secure pockets or layering with a jacket can add extra protection. If possible, plan your visit during less busy times, like early mornings or late evenings, when there are fewer people. Stick to well-lit, popular parts of the bridge where there are more people around. Remember, most pickpocketing happens when distractions are created, so stay focused and keep your belongings close. Following these simple steps will help you enjoy your Brooklyn Bridge walk safely and worry-free. It's all about being cautious and prepared so you can fully enjoy the amazing views and the experience of exploring one of New York City's most famous landmarks.